Hello, young artists. Today, we are going to draw a fantastic snail. Are you ready?
Yes.
You can add more details, like for texture or shading if you'd like, but you've got the basic snail drawing down.
Thank you, teacher. I had a great time drawing this shark with your help.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better at drawing snail and other animals. Drawing is all about practice and patience.